Welcome to Pip Insight. Wednesday the 8th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 2 showing bullish structure and 5 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here's where things get interesting, and right now, interesting means ugly for the bulls. Gold has printed a near vertical breakdown during the Asian session, collapsing from around $4,132 all the way down to session lows of $4,066. That is a brutal move, and the structure across the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute charts is unanimously bearish. Lower highs, lower lows, price trading roughly 60 points below both the 20 and 50 period EMAs on the 4-hour. Those EMAs now sit up near $4,120 to $4,127 and act as dynamic resistance on any attempted recovery. The broader trend has been deteriorating since gold peaked near $4,215 earlier this month. Now, the 4-hour RSI is sitting at an extremely oversold reading of just 28. That alone can attract technical interest and spark short covering bounces, so watch that $4,045 to $4,065 zone carefully as a potential floor. On the fundamental side, today's big event is the FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. London time. Any language reinforcing a higher for longer rate path tends to strengthen the dollar and weigh on gold, while dovish signals could provide some relief. Going into the session, the key levels to watch are resistance at $4,125 up to $4,145, and support around $4,045 to $4,065, with the psychologically significant $4,000 level not far below. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1 for 26 and 1.1 for 47. Support is marked between 1.1385 and 1.1 for 025. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.335 and 1.337. Support is marked between 1.33 and 1.3335. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 162.5 and 162.62. Support is marked between 161.85 and 162.2. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.8092 and 0.80967. Support is marked between 0.80633 and 0.807. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.6938 and 0.6956. Support is marked between 0.6895 and 0.69147. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.418 and 1.4209. Support is marked between 1.412 and 1.4154. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.